Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you one of our 7x12 Colorado cargo trailers we have in stock. This is a great multi-use unit. It's what we specialize in here at Colorado Trailers. And you guys can view all of our inventory online at getmytrailer.com or always send us an email at sales@getmytrailer.com. Again, this is in a 7x12 charcoal blackout. Does have the extra tall diamond plate rock guard along the bottom. You've also got that great V-nose guard for that extra rock protection there. Triple tube tongue. That's a rare commodity in single axle trailers. Usually you just see a V tongue. It takes that tongue and ties it all the way back into the frame, and these trailers pull really well because of it. This one's stock number 15642. Side door has the RV lock and cam bar, so you've got double lock protection there on that side door. And then we did a party light off the side, so you've got some light to hang out with at night. Exterior GFI outlet, as this does have power in it, and you have a 3,500-pound axle with a 15-inch tire and aluminum wheel. These trailers are set up to be able to go down the road at 75 miles an hour and be able to travel with you guys. Now you also have drop-down stabilizer jacks underneath the rear. That's an awesome feature because that allows you guys to fold that down when you're not hooked up to your truck, and that way you won't tip and pivot on that single axle. Two load lights off the back as well, so you have some light at night to see what you're doing when you need to load and unload in the dark. This unit's also insulated. We're going to go in the side door here. You have insulated walls and ceiling in here, as well as a white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. 6'6" interior height, so it's tall enough for most people to stand up inside of here. And again, there's those insulated walls and ceiling all finished out really nice. And then you have two 18x44 slider windows with screens. These are a tinted lockable window. Plus you've got a Maxx Air roof vent there in the back for some additional ventilation. It does have the bubble cover over it, so you guys don't have to worry about that leaking water in. We also ran the Performance Nudo floor in here with Dry Max. This is the same floor we stick in our off-road trailers, as this is one of the best, most durable floors in the industry. 4 D-rings, so you've got tie-down points. You also have 2 puck lights on each side, 2 there, and 2 more additional ones there. Light switch back here is to turn that load light on, and then you've got a couple more switches here, which is going to run your overhead 4-foot LEDs and those puck lights, plus that exterior lighting. Now we do have a battery with a battery box and a battery charger. That's a great feature because it is going to run the load lights off the back, it runs that party light off the side, and it runs your 4 puck lights on the interior, so you don't have to be plugged in to a vehicle to have light on the inside of your trailer or the outside of your trailer. Plus now you also have 30 amp service, so you've got this 30 amp box cord, pop it right through the floor right there. You guys can go plug into a generator, a campground, or even an extension cord, and that will bring 110 power into the trailer for you and power up your interior outlets. So you do have 4 interior outlets plus that exterior GFI outlet outside. That's also going to bring power into your AC unit with a heat strip, so you do have the ability to heat and cool this trailer, as you guys can see right there. And it's going to bring power into these 4-foot LED lights, which are across the ceiling for you. So give you a lot of different options, a lot of different lighting, and some different abilities to be able to camp, get out, work, play, and just have a lot of fun. 3-year factory warranty. You do have 12 feet from the tip of the V to the back of this ramp door on the interior here. Again, 7 foot wide, 6'6" tall. This trailer weighs just over 1,300 pounds, and it's going to give you about an 1,800 pound payload capacity. So give us a call if you guys are interested. 303-688-8485, as we would love to earn your business. Best place to reach us nowadays with COVID is always sales@getmytrailer.com, and you guys can purchase any of our inventory online. We're set up for no contact trailer shopping. It's super simple. Again, go to getmytrailer.com. You can buy this unit right there and give us a call, shoot us an email. We can get you a shipping quote and get it delivered right to your door.